Did you know that one of history's greatest philosophies was born from complete financial ruin? Zeno of Citium was a wealthy merchant sailing to Athens with a fortune in purple dye. Then disaster struck. His ship wrecked, destroying everything he owned. Stranded and broke, he wandered into a bookshop where someone was reading stories about Socrates. The wisdom captivated him. He asked the seller where he could find such a teacher. The man pointed to a philosopher walking by and said, "Follow him." That moment changed everything. Zeno became a student, learning that happiness doesn't come from wealth or status. It comes from virtue and wisdom. From his personal catastrophe, he founded Stoicism around 300 BCE. His teachings influenced Marcus Aurelius, shaped modern therapy, and continue guiding millions today. Zeno later said his shipwreck was the best thing that ever happened to him. The fortune he lost in the sea was nothing compared to the wisdom he gained on land. Sometimes life's worst moments will redirect you towards your greatest purpose. Your setback might be your setup.